this. Let's go prank my husband. He is on the mower, okay? Hold on. Alright. There he is. He's on the mower. I got this. What you doing? What you doing?
What?
What you doing?
Mowing?
Oh.
Why?
Just wondering.
Any word?
No.
Okay.
Just wanted to come out here and see what you were up to.
Okay, well, do you want to mow and I'll weed eat?
No, I'm okay right now.
Huh?
I'm okay right now.
Okay. Love you.
I love you.
What did you want to do?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm just coming outside.